Good morning, happy Monday. All right, let's jump right in because this is interesting and you need to hear this. Bloomberg just released this article, will housing prices flatten or collapse? Well, let's talk about this really quickly. First of all, in the past 3 years, so let's look at July 2019, the median sales price in the Atlanta area was $259,000. In July of 2022, the median price was $390,000. So what do we want to see? A flattening of that curve because it's going up like this, and really we want it to go up slowly, usually 4 to 6% on that attrition rate. All right, now let's talk about the fact that what price point typically leads housing in a pullback? Luxury. So what is going to artificially make it look like homes are losing value? When we're talking about the median and price points, right? If you are seeing luxury homes, $1 million plus, sit on the market longer, naturally we are going to see that price point, average, median, come down. Does it mean that the homes that are selling in 2, 3, 4, 500,000 range are not selling at the same price or more that they were this time last year, the year before? No, of course not. And the other thing is do you know the only 4 years that housing prices have actually gone backwards? It's the year 1837, 1873, 1939, and 2008. And I truly believe that the reason that these headlines truly resonate is because we can remember what happened in 2008, and it is still in our minds. Because if you look at the news leading up to the years before 2008, they did not have headlines like this, and the reason is because none of us in the generation that was purchasing houses remembered what happened in 1939, or certainly back in the early to mid 1800s. So keep those things in mind as you're judging where the market is. Now, let's jump right into where have we been in the last week since it's Monday. New homes hitting the market, 2,277, with a median price point of $395,000, which is dead on for what I said our median price point was last month for the year, which was $390. So that's good news. Back on market, we're seeing 548 homes that came back on market, and the median price point on those, $359, with 23 days average on market. All right, price reductions, big jump up in these, which is a good thing. People are getting real so that they can get right. $399 is the median price point on those, 33 days average on market, and of those, 87 have already gone pending. Price increases. I will still never understand these quite right. These 186 with the median price of $451. What is with that pricing? 24 days median on market for those. Pending 1823. So 1,823 homes went pending. The median price of $375. 15 days on market. Active under contract, 697, with a median price point of $389,000, 13 days on market. Expireds, we've seen a pretty decent pullback on expireds, only 164 in this past week, with a median price there of $409,000, 61 days on market. Withdrawals have ticked up, so people saying, hey, let's give this a shot, and pulling off, 387, 462,000 being the median price point there, with 38 days median on market. Closed in the last week, 2,083, with a median list price of $399, median sales price of $400. See that? 9 days median on market, and 5.33% on interest rate. Check that out. It has really been stable and a great time to lock for your buyers and for your sellers to advertise that rates are looking very stable right now. So take advantage of that. If you have any questions or need anything, as always, reach out, Andrea Wright at kw.com, or DM me on any of my social media profiles. If you want a private invite to a deep dive market analysis, tomorrow, 11:30 to 12. Please reach out and we will get it to you. Have a fantastic start to your work.